Let's use this butterfly, which is made of a left wing, a body, and a right wing, to create an animated symbol. So what we need to do is select all three of the elements and go Modify, Convert to Symbol. And I'll call this Butterfly Animated. It must be a movie clip to do what we're about to do. So we'll hit OK. So you can see in my library we now have the body, the left and the right wings, and the grouped version, which is our butterfly animated symbol. So what I'm now going to do is double click on the butterfly, and you can see that we're now in scene 1 in the symbol. So now what I can do is realign my symbols like so, and you'll notice that in the library it's also been updated. How will we animate the butterfly? I've selected the three elements and I'll go now Distribute to Layers. And what you'll see is that the body, the wing left and the wing right have automatically been added to the three layers, as you can see here. That means I can now right click and delete that first layer they were sitting on. Now let's go out to frame 20, and I'm going to highlight all those frames, right click and insert frames. And that gives me 20 frames to animate the flapping of the butterfly's wings. On the wing left layer, I'm going to right click and create a motion tween. And now what I want to do is to use my free transform tool to pull in the width of the wing like so. So I've transformed the width, and I've also just realigned the placement of the wing. And now I need to, I'll do a little double flutter here, so I'm going to just quickly pull the wing out a little bit. In again just for a second. I'm just using the arrow key here to adjust it. And then for our last frame, I'm going to return it to its original shape and just slide it back into position. So there we go, we have our wing flapping and returning to its original shape. Let's now copy that process, right click, create a motion tween, and we will do the same process here. So now if I was to loop the animation, and I'll just drag this out, this is our result. So because we have created an actual symbol with animation in its timeline, as it moves through the scene, that animation will happen in the symbol itself. So let's create 70 frames. Right click, insert frame, and now right click, create a motion tween. Let's make the butterfly start small, off the stage. Here it will enter, move in this direction, slight rotation, come towards the viewer, so we'll enlarge the scale, and then slight rotation, slight change of scale, and we'll have it moving directly off the stage. as the butterfly moves through, you'll notice the wings will be flapping because that's in the butterfly symbol itself. So here we go. Control Enter to play and Command Enter on a Mac.